Well, what we're standing on is the Almana site at the former Hazelwood LTV. And it's the largest remaining steel mill site in the city of Pittsburgh, approximately 178 acres. And what we're standing on now is about a 6.5 to 7 acre segment of it that is been our trial ground for some of our brownfield projects to grow energy crops on vacant lots and brownfields in the city of Pittsburgh.
There's 178 acres, and this was the easiest part of the 170 acres as a first hit. It's the area that's not contaminated. It's the area that's not in anybody's way right now. And it's really visible. You can see the building here, and it's right near the road. So it was the easiest place for us to start. Unfortunately, it's probably the worst dirt on soil on the whole site. So it's been a challenge. It's a lot of fill from Oakland, from buildings being torn down or excavated. So there's a lot of brick and rebar and ridiculous kind of stuff in the soil right now.
Our platform as of now revolves around energy crops for two primary reasons. One, they serve as a phytoremediator, which means that they naturally remediate the soil by either absorbing or extracting contaminants from polluted soils, as well as produce an energy-bearing crop. So sunflowers and canola plants produce oil seeds, which can be pressed and refined, distilled into biodiesel.
Besides the work they do on brownfields, there is a second scale to GTEC's programs. The group is also developing strategies for reclaiming vacant city lots and is currently working on a pilot project for these smaller spaces.
We are currently in conversations with East Liberty Development Corporation, to work on 3 to 5 acres in East Liberty. On our vacant lots and city block scales, smaller land. We likely won't produce the same amount of biofuel on those sites. But our projected areas of outcome that we programmatically plan to emphasize will be the job creation, the educational training side of things, land reclamation. There's a tremendous value, and we found this in our work at CMU, there's a tremendous value in greening and beautifying a city neighborhood or a city block or a blighted area.
If we can get anything to grow on this site, we should be successful anywhere. I've seen some of these sites in East Liberty, and I mean, we have a little bit of turf grass to take out, rototill, and we actually have some pretty beautiful sites. This site here again, this is the greatest challenge. Basically, we're setting up a farm operation 10 minutes out of downtown Pittsburgh.